This is a map that shows the location of the world's tropical rainforests. Rainforests cover a small part of the Earth's surface. In an average year in a tropical rainforest, the climate is very humid because of all the rainfall, which is amount about 250 per year. The rainforest has a lot of rain because it is very hot and wet. This climate is found near the equator. It rains more than 19 days a year, and the strong sun usually shines between the storms. The water cycle repeats often along the equator. The main plants in these biomes are trees. A lot of the rains that falls on the rainforest never reaches the ground. Trees in this climate reaches a height of more than 164 feet. They form a canopy. The forest floor is called understory. The canopy also keeps the sunlight from reaching the plants in the understory. Between the canopy and the understory is a lower canopy made up of smaller trees. These plants receive some filtered sunlight. The tropical rainforest is classified as AF, meaning tropical forest. The A is given to tropical climate that are most for all months which have an average temperature about 18 degrees Celsius. The F stands for sufficient precipitation for all the months. The latitude range for rainforest climate is 15 to 25 degrees north and south of the equator. The jungles and the mangrove swamps of Central America contains many plants and animals found nowhere else. Central America is famous for its largest number of tropical birds, including many kinds of parrots. The Amazon jungle is the world's largest tropical rainforest. The forest covers the base of the Amazon, the world's second longest river. The Amazon is home to the greatest variety of plants and animals on Earth. The rainforest is home to more than half of the world animals. All types of creatures are represented from tiny insects to largest mammals. As many as 30 million species of plants and animals live in the tropical rainforest. Rainforests are never found in climates which have temperature of 32 Fahrenheit and below because the plants will not be able to live because they aren't adapted for the forest. All the plants will die out if the rainforest is colder. The plants that make up the understory of the rainforest have adapted to the small amount of sunlight that they receive. Ferns and moss do well along with the climate. These are plants that grow on other plants. They can be found growing on branches of tall trees where they can get sunlight. At least two-thirds of the world plant species, including many exotic and beautiful flowers, grow in the rainforest. Rainforest plants live in a warm, humid environment that allows the enormous variety rate in more temperature climates. And this was some information about the rainforest by Flor Moreno.